Imagine Sunrise Bakery puts $1,000 into an investment and earns $100 in the first year. What happens next? The bakery could take that $100 out, or it could leave the money invested, so next year's return has a little more to work with. That second path is compounding. Compounding happens when a return stays invested and later earns a return of its own. Let's slow that down with a simple example. We'll pretend the bakery's $1,000 earns exactly 10% every year. No new money goes in, there are no fees or taxes. And the 10% return is only a fictional assumption to make the math easy. Real investment returns aren't this smooth or predictable. After year one, 10% of $1,000 is $100. The new balance is $1,100. Now look at year two. The same 10% return is applied to $1,100, not the original $1,000. That creates a $110 gain. $10 of that gain came from the previous year's return earning a return. That's the entire mechanism. The base got bigger, so the next gain got bigger too. Now let's compare two paths over 5 years. In the first path, Sunrise Bakery removes each year's $100 gain. The original $1,000 stays invested, and the bakery collects $500. Account and cash together, $1,500. In the second path, every gain stays invested. The balance moves from $1,000 to $1,100 to $1,210, then $1,331. After 5 years, it reaches $1,610.51. Same starting amount, same fictional rate. The extra $110.51 came from returns earning returns. But the interesting part isn't year 5. It's what happens when the cycle has more time to repeat. With the same simplified assumptions and no additional money, $1,000 would become about $2,594 after 10 years. After 20 years, about $6,728. The curve starts quietly, then bends upward because each return has a larger base to build on. Now for the part that often gets left out. Compounding does not guarantee growth. It magnifies whatever sequence of returns actually occurs, including losses. If $1,000 falls 10%, it becomes $900. A 10% gain from there adds only $90. The balance ends at $990, not back at $1,000. So compounding isn't magic. And 10% down followed by 10% up does not cancel out. The idea to remember is simple. Each result changes the base for the next result. When returns stay invested, time gives that process more chances to repeat. That can magnify gains. It can magnify losses too. If this made compounding easier to understand, like the video and subscribe to Risk on Capital for the next lesson.